venison steaks seasoned with salt and pepper, garlic, some wild boletes, and the frost bolete. Broil the steaks on low for about 10 minutes. Chop up the boletes, and I had some chicken mushrooms, so I think I'll throw those in there too. Have your pan on medium-low with a little butter or ghee and add your mushrooms. Toss them in the butter or ghee and cook on each side for about 5 minutes or until a little bit crisp on the outside. Once you get your mushrooms laid out in the pan, you can add any onions or garlic you like, or just season to taste. Here's how the boletes look when they were flipped over after about 5 minutes. As you can see, there's a good amount of liquid here in the pan, and that is actually not from the butter or the ghee. That has been absorbed. These boletes had been rained on, so they're a little bit soggy. If you have soggy boletes, what you can do is dry saute them for a few minutes on each side before you start with the introducing a fat like a butter or a ghee or a vegan alternative. And over here we have our venison steaks. Now these had been in the broiler for about 10 minutes, and depending on how much you would like to cook this through, venison steaks really need to be rare, medium rare or rare for the best results. And so we have pulled these out and we are ready to put both things together. Okay, so we've been about 5 minutes on the other side. Now, some of your boletes are just going to be very tender and snap, and some of your boletes are going to be too hard to get your fork through depending on the species. So I like them a little tender. I like to be able to put my fork in there and have it just kind of snap into tender insides, and I will leave the ones that aren't doing that yet on the pan a little longer. And there we have it, venison steaks with boletes and chicken mushroom, basically wild mushrooms on venison steak. This is Cooking with Mrs. G. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and of course on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy foraging.